viewers, I'm Falguni. Welcome to Crafty Camp, my world of craft. With Halloween round the corner, you must be really excited, as it is a season to scare and be scared. But today, we will make ghost puppets, not scary ones, but cute little ones. Just nice and friendly like Casper, everyone's favorite ghost. I love him too. We are going to make different kinds of ghost puppets, boy and girl ghost. But first, we will make Mr. Ghost. So let's start. To make a ghost puppet, we need a few things. A craft stick, yellow paint, paintbrush, white felt, black construction paper, blue and silver glitter foam sheets, googly eyes, punch, different colors of wool, glue, scissors. First, I'm going to take the craft stick and paint it yellow. You could take any color of your choice. Paint the full craft stick. Remember to paint it on both the sides. Then keep it aside for it to dry. Can you see this? Like this? Now, we are going to take a white felt and we are going to cut a rectangle here which is slightly broader and slightly shorter than the craft stick. Like this. Now I'm going to give a slight curve on the top of the rectangle here. Like here. Like this. Now we are going to glue the white felt onto the craft stick, for which I take some glue. Remember to keep the rounded side up and leave about an inch space from the bottom, and we glue it like this. See this? And this is the back side. Now press it nicely. Now we're going to make the hat for Mr. Ghost. For the hat, I'm going to use a blue glitter foam sheet. At the back side, we are going to draw the hat for Mr. Ghost, for which first we make a sleeping rectangle like this, and then on top of that we will make a standing rectangle. Now let's cut it along the sides. This is what it looks like. Now we are going to glue this hat onto the ghost. Now make 2 dots for the eyes. Take your googly eyes and we glue it here. Now we are going to give a few buttons, for which we take the punch and we are going to take a black construction paper and make some few small little circles. Make 3 dots and glue it on there. Now we are going to cut an L shape from the remaining black paper to make the shoes for Mr. Ghost. Can you see this? Now we are going to glue it onto the shoe. Right, we'll make 2 dots. Here, our Mr. Ghost is ready. Doesn't it look like a gentleman with his hat and his shoes? You could also do a variation in your Mr. Ghost. Like this, can you see this? You could give him a bow and a tie And you could use pink wool to give him a few fringes for his hair. Hi Mr. Ghost, nice to meet y'all. Keep smiling and stay crafty.